Join us as we tackle the last section of the Mawson Trail from Hawker to Blinman, as we hope to finish this amazing trail all the way from Adelaide. On this trip, the Flinders Ranges shows off its spectacular beauty, but it's not without its fair share of challenges. Well, the sun just came up and we are just getting our bikes ready. We're up in Hawker and today we are doing our stretch all the way to Rawnsley Station. So 90 kilometers. It's going to be super beautiful. The bush is looking nice and green. So really looking forward to a big day. Alright, that's Hawker.
On the Mawson.
On the Mawson again. Look at those beautiful mountains. Up and over those hills.
Yep. As long as we don't have to go along the top of it.
Yeah, we'll just go around then. Grab your bike. I think this is the range we'll be following. Yeah. That elder range. Yeah.
Is this it?
Yeah. Alright, I'll go ahead. We decided to play the long game and walk our bikes down for the last bit, and after a quick bike check, we were in the saddle again for the Mount Little section. All the happy campers at Mount Little Station, and there's some pollution facilities and a camp kitchen, so this is also a good stop if you're camping on the Mawson.
How are we going out here?
33 kilometers, so I'm feeling pretty good about that. It's been a rocky section, lots of little creek beds, crossings, lots of rocks, so it's kind of just looking down and trying to dodge all the rocks.
Exactly.
But it's staying cool so far and we're enjoying the scenery, and we're just filling up with some energy for the next leg. I think the next leg will be hitting a bit of the bitumen highway, so that'll be some good kilometers.
Yeah.
Well, that was Mount Little Station.
Alright.
Now we're gonna hit the bitumen for about 15 kilometers. Some nice raptors circling up here in the thermal. The Old Bullock Cueing Yards were a significant historical site along the Moralana scenic drive. These yards were essential during the pioneering era for maintaining the bullock teams. They were the primary means of transporting goods across the rugged outback, especially large native pine trees for the overland telegraph line.
Well, here we are. We're about 4 hours into our trip, about the 60k mark. We've been slowly going uphill. We're back in between a couple ranges here. I'm starting to feel it. Hoping I'm getting a second wind somewhere along the line because I find it a little bit tiring today, but it's been beautiful. This has probably been the most scenic part so far.
All right, another 35 to go. So we're getting there.
Let's go.
Oh, that's good. Well, this section is just really beautiful. You've got all these undulating little hills, little downhills, build up some momentum for the uphill, but it's just stunning and beautiful flowers. I'm really enjoying myself.
Loving it.
Getting a few drops of rain. It's actually quite nice. You can really smell the earth.
With the clouds growing heavy, we checked into the beautiful Rawnsley Park Station.
Yeah, we had perfect timing. Rain's just coming down. Pretty constant now.
Accommodations are not quite what we thought they were, but we'll manage.
After a bit of exploring at the station, we settled in for a superb lamb spit dinner at the Woolshed restaurant. We were definitely counting our blessings tonight.
Cheers.
What a good meal. I'm full.
So good, but now there's more dessert.